Hi everyone, Denise Robinson from By the Bay Kinesiology. Today I wanted to talk to you about my online Nature's Healing Chi workshop. It's coming up very soon on Friday the 5th of November. It goes for 5 hours and we are delving into all things nature. It's such a beautiful workshop. I love teaching it. I only teach it once a year. So if you're a practitioner, healer, energy worker, kinesiology student, and you want to know how to work with nature with your clients, this is the workshop to attend. We're going to delve into all of nature's treasures. There's 37 different remedies that you get a whole reference chart of all the information on. We delve into emotions, we've got metaphors, we get you understanding how to talk and work with nature and what it means and how to integrate it into your sessions, how to use testing vials if you've got those, and all the different 5 elements as well and what they mean, working with actual physical nature pieces and what to do with them, and you'll be collecting some nature things to bring along as well. Head to the website and you now can enroll online.